how you know me and what I told her. My name, whole weight, Bulldozer. I got racks stacked tall, falling over. And she noticed and she wanted to pull me closer. But no love, I'm a real hitter. Real, want my name in your grill, nigga. Hey, this that drop. On my block was hot, had Molly in sock. Heard Polly wanted cracker, then Polly got popped. Don't want no love, I just want that guap. Beef too small, I use snuff for this. Not too messy, need glove for this. Send them far away with the luggages. No debating for the politics. Godfather like I'm Corleone. Niggas talking how you know me though. All these questions trying to pick my dome. This a dirty business, you won't make it home. If the windows tinted, then I'm right. I do solo missions in the midst of dying. I see niggas smiling when they broke as fuck. I see rich niggas get bitched and crying. When I'm dolo, I'm with it, no folding up. Hit a lick and we split it, it get divided. Been minding my business, but my story be open. My workers will handle that work if you let them. We tryna shine for the time that's embezzled. I get out of space, I keep catching this battle. Watch all that shit you keep speaking on. I really all action, don't speak too long.